Guys, this is how we're doing it here. So reach there, and then you stop, and then you start again here in the front, and then. So guys, I heard you asking about to remove it. This style is not hard to remove. You guys are saying, oh, I don't know this, I don't know that. Oh, I have fear. Sometimes it's good when you try something first before you say it's hard for you to do what? To do it. Doesn't to remove it, or it's hard, or what and what. You say a lot of things at once. It's not good. Okay. So it's just a sample. I think it looks good on natural hair than silky hair. Yeah. It looks good on natural hair than silky hair. When I do like this, it doesn't mean that it hurts. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. It just locks the hair well, and it doesn't hurt. And remember, I'm using Brazilian wool, so it's very, very, very manageable. Don't start saying, oh, I don't know this and that, because here we have extra hair. Our Brazilian wool is showing. You cover it, and then you do what? And then you continue again like that. It looks like a knot, but it doesn't disturb you while removing it. It looks like a knot, but it doesn't disturb to remove. So if you have fear of removing it, just use Brazilian wool. Brazilian wool, this one I'm using, is not having any issue to remove it. Yeah. Not having any issue to remove it. This one is for those who don't know how to make cornrows, and they want to have some cornrows, or they want their children or family members to have some cornrows, and they don't know how to make cornrows. This one is for you. Yeah, so when you're coming to the end here, yeah, like that, you have to wrap this one down to this side like that, and then make it down completely, and then just the same way you've been doing at the first, you see, that way. So you can go like 2 times, and then you do it again like that. So after doing like that, because the cornrow is already finished, you cut this one like that, and then you can make a twist. Just make a normal twist. You can add Brazilian wool if you want, yeah, to make it look better or to look firm. All right, so that's how it looks. Guys, this is just a sample, but you can see how it looks. You see, that's how it looks. So guys, for this one to remove, it's just simple. You remove your twist here like that, and then this one you have just to pull it like that. Yeah, pull like that way, and then you see here there's a knot. It's very simple, you see. It's very simple for you to remove it. So you'll be going like that. You come to another one like that. You come to another one. You just unlock the knots here. It's not hard for you to remove it, like that. You can see it's not hard, because we're saying it's hard to remove it. Yeah, if you feel like it's too long, you just cut this one here like that, and then you continue removing it. It's not hard. This one is, because it's still a bit fresh, it's still fresh, so, but when it's a bit old, it's easier to remove it. Very, very easy for you to remove it. Leave what you're saying, it's hard to remove it. How to remove it? It's very, very simple to remove it, guys. I don't know why you're stressing yourself. Like that. And then you come to here, you say, hi, I'm here. You remove it like that. Like that. Like that. And then at last, it's finished. And then you comb your hair properly. Yeah. And then it's done, guys. So for those who are saying, hi, he's not working, what and what, I am here. I've shown you now what you needed. So guys, thank you so much.